In my consulting work, one of the questions that I ask a lot of the leadership teams is, who are your stakeholders? And I get all kinds of answers. But today I just want to be clear about who your stakeholders ideally should be. Every business today needs to think of these 4 key stakeholders. Number 1, your people. The question is, what are you doing for your people? What is their experience when they come to work in your company? People are contributing a lot of their time and their energy to this place called work. What is it doing for them is something that we need to think about, right? Because every company wants their people to give them 100%. But the question we need to ask is, what are we doing for them? How are we empowering them to become who they need to become? So your people are your greatest resource. We've heard that again and again. So you have to think of your people as your number 1 key stakeholder. Your second stakeholder, yes, your customers. And without customers, you don't have a business. So you need to be pretty much focused on this key stakeholder for your business. What is their experience when they do business with you? How can you help them achieve their success? Because your success is tied into your customer's success. And as our business world gets more and more competitive, the way you deal with your customers and the way your customers feel about you becomes a very key differentiating factor for your success today. Your third stakeholder is the communities you serve. What are you doing to uplift the lives of your community? As a business, what is your positive impact that you have with your community? And it's a wonderful thing to have, to be able to do that. And this is where you stand for some greater good, right? How are you uplifting the communities that you serve today? And the last stakeholder is probably now the most important stakeholder that many businesses ignore. And that is our planet. What are we doing to help heal the planet? Whether you're a small business or a medium-sized business or a large business, there's a lot you can do in your own way to help heal the planet. There's so many things you can do today to help our planet. And this has become a priority now. It's not a nice to have anymore. It's a must have. You must have a strategy that helps heal the planet. And at this stage, the question that I get asked is, what about our shareholders? Well, if you have addressed all your 4 key stakeholders well, you will become hugely profitable, hugely successful, and your shareholders will be very, very happy. Now, if you want some more information on how you can build a strong company culture that really takes into account your 4 key stakeholders and transcends you from just being a company of products and service to a greater good, then do check out my website here. There's a lot of information on how you can build a strong culture for your company and be a real force for good.